video is from Hillsar English Medium School.
Hello friends, till now we have finished with the three parts of the playing with numbers. Let us move towards the fourth part. But we'll just brush up what we have studied. We studied how to derive the factors for the number and how to find out the common multiples also. Along with that, we also studied the even number, odd numbers, as well as distributive test. Now let us move towards the common factors and common multiple. Along with that, what are the co-prime numbers? Let us study how to find out common factors. For that, whatever the numbers are given, we have to first find out the factors. And factors find out करने के बाद दोनों factors में जो common factors वो लिखने हैं. Like here the examples are given for 4 and 18. What are the factors of 4? They are 1, 2 and 4. And what are the factors of 18? They are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. See, in both these factors, which are the numbers common? 1 and 2. So, common factors for 4 and 18 are 1 and 2. Similarly, next example is with 4 and 15. These two numbers, they have only one as a common factor. 4 का factors क्या है? 1, 2 and 4. और 15 का factors क्या है? 1, 3, 5 and 15. दोनों में common क्या है? 1 common है. So, here 1 is the only common factor. So, we call them as co-prime numbers. So let us find out how to find out common multiples. For that, what we can do, we can write out all the multiples or as much possible as multiples of the given number, and दोनों multiples में हमें find out करने कौन से number common है. See here, example is given with 4 and 6. What are the multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Then what are the multiples? Multiple, it is not just its a table. The example is given with 4 and 6. So 6 multiples are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Now we can write down from all these multiples, out of these which are the common? 12, 24 and 36. So these all are common multiples of 4 and 6. Similarly, we can find it for 3 numbers, 4 numbers like that. Like 3, 5 and 6 के क्या क्या multiples? 3 का टेबल लिखना है, फिर 5 का टेबल लिखना है, then 6 का टेबल लिखना है, और then we can find out a common multiple as 3 and 30 and 60. I hope you have understood this. Let us move towards exercise 3.4. The first question is to find out common factors of given number. तो हमें common factors कैसे निकालने हैं? We will write the factors of each given number and उसमें से जो factors के में जो common है वो हमें separately लिखना है. These are the common factors for given number. See the first question, the numbers are 20 and 28. Factors 20 के लिखने हैं. क्या क्या है? 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. और 28 के क्या क्या factors है? 1, 2, 4, 7 and 28. अब दोनों में कॉमन्स हमें देखने हैं. 1, 2 and 4 are common. Next number is 15 and 25. 15 के factors है 1, 3, 5 and 15. 25 के 1, 5, 25. Common factors क्या है दोनों में? 1 and 5. See the next number is 35 and 50. 35 के factors है 1, 5, 7 and 35. 50's factors are 1, 2, 5, 10 and 50. दोनों में common है 1 and 5. Now question 2 of this, find the common factors of. देखो यहाँ पे 3 numbers दिए, उसके common factors से as usual निकालने. You have to find out the factor for all number. उसमें से common number लिखने. 4, 8 and 12 के common factors लिखने. तो first we will write the factors for 4. It is 1, 2, 4. Factors of 8, they are 1, 2, 4, 8. And 12 के क्या factors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Out of this common are 1, 2 and 4. Next is 5, 15 and 25. So here the factors of 5, they are 1 and 5. 15 के क्या है? 1, 3, 5 and 15. And 25 के 1, 5, 25. So common factors are 1 and 5. See the next question, where to find the first 3 multiples of. Multiples लिखने मतलब tables लिखने. 3 multiples लिखने मतलब 3s तक लिखना है. 1s, 2s and 3s. 6 and 8 के 3 multiples लिखने हैं. So multiples of first we will write 6 and 8 के लिखने. तो 6 का क्या है? 6 1s are 6, then 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. First 3 multiples of 8 are 8 1 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 8 3 are 24. In B question, you have to write the multiples of 12 and 18. So 12 के multiples क्या है? 12 1 are 12, 12 2 are 24, 12 3 are 36. And 18 के क्या है? 18 1 are 18, 18 2 are 36, 18 3 are 54. So in the next question, we have to write down all numbers less than 100 which are common multiples of 3 and 4. 3 and 4 के common multiples लिखने हैं, बट वो जो common multiples होंगे वो less than 100 होने चाहिए. So पहले हमने 3 के multiples लिख लिए till less than 100 तक लिख लिया, मतलब 3 multiplied by 33 99 वहां तक लिख लिए. Then 4 के लिख लिए, 4 multiplied by 24 it is 96. तो उसमें से कॉमन कौन से है? 12 24 36 48 60 72 84 and 96. So these all are the common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100. Next question is to find out which are the co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers मतलब ऐसे numbers जिनके factors हम निकाले तो only one is a common factor, जिनके common factor सिर्फ एक number होता है, that is 1. So they are, we call it as co-prime numbers. First is 18 and 35. So we have to write down factors of 18. They are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. 35 के क्या factors है? 1, 5, 7 and 35. दोनों में common क्या है? Only 1. So hence 18 and 35 they are co-prime numbers. See B question is 15 and 37. 15 के factors क्या है? 1, 3, 5 and 15. 37 के 1 and 37 because 37 itself is a prime number. दोनों में common क्या है? 1. So hence 15 and 37 they are co-prime numbers. See next numbers are 17 and 68. 17 factors are 1 and 17. 68 के क्या है? 1, 2, 4, 17, 34 and 68. Common factors are 1 and 17. So they are not co-prime numbers. The next number are 216 and 215. What are the factors of 216? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36, 54, 72, 108 and 216. And what are the factors? 215, 1, 5, 43 and 215. But the common factors, they are only 1. So they are co-prime number. Next number is 81 and 16. See, they are also having 1 as a common factor. So they are co-prime numbers. Now let us move toward the sixth question. A number is divisible by both 5 and 12. By which other will that number be always divisible? मतलब 5 and 12 से अगर एक नंबर है वो divisible है तो कौन से दूसरे नंबर से वो नंबर divisible रहेगा? So if the number is divisible by 5 and 12, the number will also be divisible by 5 12s are 60. So 60 के टेबल से भी वो divisible रहने वाला है because that number is in 5 table also and 12 table also. दोनों का multiplication करने के बाद 60 आता है, 60 के टेबल में भी वो नंबर होने वाला है. Seventh question, a number is divisible by 12. By what other will that number be divisible? वो 12 से divisible है तो और कौन से नंबर से divisible रहेगा? So factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Hence the number which is divisible by 12 will also be divisible by its factor. They are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Here we have finished with this exercise. In the next part, we'll see the next exercise and some other topics. So your homework is to try out this exercise at home.